So for report in post processing, we will be having report section. So in report section, we can able to go for report setup. This report setup having multiple things. For example, for items, we have available input, output, pictures, reports, and everything. Now it is having input. For input, what are all the things we have? Notes, plates, sections, and everything. By default, it will be having only the job information. See, this is the job information. But if you want everything, you can able to use this arrow. Then you can able to go for click OK. And after clicking OK, you can able to zoom in, zoom out. So you can able to zoom in, zoom out by clicking this also. Otherwise, you can directly click in. See here, you can able to get everything. You can just go for next page. It is having like more pages now. See notes continuation, like the information of the notes. Next page, next page, next page, like this. You can able to print this, and we can able to like go save as a PDF also. So print, and then print to PDF, and I'm just going for print to file if you want. So I'm just going for OK. Now I'm just going for input, UG some, and I'm just going to save it. Then that PDF we can able to refer, that you can able to send to your clients. See, the same thing you can able to get from here, but no need for next page click. You can directly just scroll to see the values and everything. You can just go for a report directly as a booklet for your project. As we have a mesh, so we have multiple things. See, it is also having everything. So supports, it has primary load cases, a combination load cases also here. These things useful for your project. If you want to refer immediately, you can just refer this page. Okay. See now what you are asking, we will see. Like in report, we also having output. When you are clicking output, you should move everything to this, and then you can just go for output. Output, you will be having no displacements and place stresses and everything. Now I'm just putting everything and clicking OK. Now we can able to see the outputs and the results. Okay, this is what the result, and then I'm just going for next page like that. It is having some pages. As we have Mishnah, it will be having more pages. So this also you can able to print to PDF. Okay. And here we also have RAM connection report if you want. Okay. Now load cases, if you want particular load case alone, then you can able to go for particular load cases. Okay. These things in name and logo, you can able to click this graphic file, and you can able to input your own logo if you don't want this Bentley logo. Okay. And even you can able to input the font sizes and the font names as well. And you can go for options. In option, you have header, page outline, footer, and even you can go for prefix, suffix for the page numbers. These are like common things we can able to put in the setup, and we will be getting those as a result. Okay. This is what report is as simple as that. Okay. And then you asked yesterday one question. See, instead output, we are having these things. Um Applied joint equivalent load. For example, I'm just going to copy this one. See, this columns I'm just going to copy. So 54 lines copied. Now I'm just going for Excel. In a new sheet, I'm just going to paste. So right click and then paste. Once you pasted, it won't come in a different columns. It all coming in a one column. So it should not be like that. For that, what you can do is you just go to data here, and then you can just go for text to columns and fixed width, and you can just go for next. And if you want to input the column something like that, you can able to input. But okay, this is right now. So we have this all these columns. Now I'm just going for next, general, and finish. Now we have different columns. See, like this also you can able to like go for and then submit to your clients if you want in Excel. This is what like converting a report from Stat Pro to Excel.